So one of the biggest mistakes I see when people use validation rules or required fields is they don't ask the question about when and when I should run this validation rule or when a field should be required. And because they don't, this affects data quality, it affects Salesforce adoption, and also it just affects usability of Salesforce. So for example, say if I get a business requirement that says on the account object, the company registration field needs to be required. Now, firstly, this isn't a business requirement. It's a solution. And secondly, they haven't asked when it needs to be required. And that is important to understand where you want to put your validation or your required field. So for example, for adoption, I don't want to make that required field required when an account gets created, because I want people to easily create accounts so they can create opportunities so the sales pipeline can start immediately. So I want to have it further down the pipeline. So it could be as the opportunity goes through its stages, when it hits a specific stage or the probability of that opportunity gets to a certain level, that's when I want the company registration number to become required on the account. So it's great for data quality because as well, if I've got it on the account and the salesperson's like going, I just want to create an opportunity, they're going to put junk in that field just to be able to create the account. Not good. And secondly, it's the adoption of the system is a lot better because it's asking that for those fields later on in the process. So that is it. Think validation timing whenever you want to put a validation or required field into Salesforce.